So my 1-minute tip for this week is to make sure you always block your scene. Blocking is defined as the actor's movements in relation to the camera. If you're new to filmmaking and new to sketch creating, you want to make sure you get the actor's movements of how they're going to move in the scene, where they're going to land, how they're going to be positioned for the camera and for lighting. If you don't do that before, then you're going to be moving things around, you're going to be moving lights around, you're going to be adjusting the camera mid-scene while the actors are all ready to go, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you know all that stuff before, so that you're worried about the performance and you're worried about the camera angles when you're shooting. The last couple days I've shot 2 sketches, and blocking the scene has really helped me kind of understand what was in the background and how to light the scene and how to shoot it properly. So you always want to make sure you block your scene first, then the actors can rehearse and you can set for lighting, and then you can set the camera accordingly. Blocking is an art form. Honestly, you could do a 2-hour video on blocking. This is kind of just to remind everyone, you always want to block your scene because then you understand how it's all going to play out. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, let me know if you have any questions about blocking, and thanks so much.